Today we are checking out the ported Gen 3 Coyote intake manifold for the 2011 to 23 5.0 F-150s. This is for the F-150 owner who wants to pull more power on the top end and add a crisper throttle response without tearing the engine apart or going straight to a blower. It takes the factory manifold and turns it into a real supporting mod for a tune, exhaust, and the rest of your bolt-ons, so it's definitely worth checking out. The big appeal here is going to be the CNC ported runners and plenum that smooth out airflow into the heads and get rid of the bottlenecks built into that stock piece. That means the engine can breathe easier at higher RPM, which is where these 5.0 trucks really wake up. It's designed as a bolt-on mod, and it's one of the most effective bolt-on mods for a naturally aspirated 5.0 build. This will work with your stock or an aftermarket throttle body, and once it's on and paired with the proper tune, you can expect better throttle response and stronger pull at highway speeds, passing, and spirited driving, so it's definitely worth considering. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a quality intake manifold that's been CNC port matched through each runner, made with better than OE grade materials to handle under hood heat and higher horsepower. The machined surfaces are going to help it seal cleanly against the heads, and the new intake gaskets and the mounting bolts that are included in the box mean everything can be tightened down once and left alone. The matched surfaces are going to help it seal cleanly against the heads, and those new intake gaskets and the mounting bolts that are included in the box mean everything can be tightened down once and then left alone. It's built to be a long-term upgrade, not something that you have to keep babysitting over time. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in the upper $800 price range. For a brand new, fully ported intake manifold that's ready to support some serious bolt-on mods, that is right in line with some other high-end power mods, so it's definitely a fair price in my opinion. You're still gonna be way under the cost of forced induction systems or headwork, and you're getting one of the most effective bolt-ons that you can add to a naturally aspirated 5.0 truck. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 30 minutes of your time if everything goes smooth. Now, this is a fairly involved job, and if you're not comfortable with it, go ahead and hire a professional. But if you're confident and you work on your own truck, this is something you can get done right at home. That wraps up our review of the ported Gen 3 Coyote intake manifold for the 2011 to 23 5.0 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.